Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Fivetran connector settings, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the Fivetran website URL in the address bar. Press the enter key to load the page. Locate the login button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. Enter your email address in the first field on the login page. Input your password in the second field. Click the Sign In button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Connectors section in the dashboard. Click on the Connectors link to view all your connectors. Find the specific connector you wish to edit. Click on the name of that connector to open its settings. In the connector settings, you will find various configuration options. Make any necessary changes to the settings as needed. After completing your adjustments, locate and click the Save button. Review the confirmation message to ensure your settings were saved successfully. You have now successfully logged into Fivetran connector settings and made your changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.